My name is Chandan Kumar. I'm a mechanical engineer working as an associate backend developer in Flywood Venture. This 996 was the reason, and that was the reason like we completed the whole thing. It was a 6 month curriculum, but as a backend developer, I have done this in fifth month, and within fifth month, before going to this revision session, I have to go through the placement session. So within 5 months, like I got a job, and it's all because of this 996. Yeah, it's all because of that. Construct a big project is like collectively we have a like target, a very hardcore target, and people from diverse background. First we have to manage ourselves, then we have to like set our target, everyday target, collaborate and everything. Like that really build me, and that was the real I can adapt anywhere. That's amazing thing. That's amazing thing. Joining Masai was a life-changing experience for me. The first day I had nothing. I had only one thing, that the determination. Because I don't know coding, I don't have a money, no parent support, no family support, no laptop, no Wi-Fi, no electricity, nothing. Whatever I have done and who I am right now, it's only because of Masai. No, I still don't believe that I got that much of money, because for salary I learned. My father rarely have earned that much of money throughout his life, so I don't believe that I can earn that much of money. So still it is like they don't believe. I have to show them the whole salary slip at an account, and then they believe that I earned that.